Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. You are watching to Veterinary Science for You channel with Dr. Muhammad Iltaf Hussain. If you are new on my channel, so subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to receive more such informative and new videos related to veterinary and animal sciences. Today in this lecture we will discuss streptogramins class of antibiotics in detail. So streptogramins are a class of natural cyclic peptide antibiotics produced by certain subspecies of Streptomyces. They are structurally related to macrolides and lycosomides. They include two structurally unrelated components, that is streptogramins group A and streptogramins group B, which generally act synergistically to inhibit bacterial growth. Together, however, streptogramins from each group are synergic and bactericidal. Streptogramin A are synthesized by Streptomyces virginiae. Streptogramin B are synthesized by various members of genus Streptomyces. Streptogramins are mostly only effective against gram-positive bacteria. History of streptogramins class of antibiotics. So the streptogramins antibiotics are discovered over 40 years ago. The agents received approved by the FDA. Examples are members of streptogramins class of antibiotics are quinopristine or dalfopristin, which comes in 30 to 70 ratio. Pristinamycin, the next example, and virginomycin. NXL 103, an experimental streptogramin in clinical trials for the treatment of respiratory tract infections. Now, mechanism of action of streptogramins class of antibiotics. So, the molecular target of streptogramins is the 23 Swedberg ribosomal RNA. Both streptogramin A and B bind to the P binding site of the 50 Swedberg ribosome subunit. Group A inhibits the early phase of protein synthesis, while Group B inhibits the late phase of protein synthesis. The type A streptogramin binding causes a conformational change to the 50 Swedberg subunit, which increases the activity of the type B streptogramin by 100-fold. Streptogramin B prevents the elongation of protein chains and causes the release of incomplete peptides. Uses of streptogramins, where we can use streptogramins. So streptogramins are used largely as a growth promotant for livestock and poultry, but has also been used to prevent laminitis in horses. Virginomycin has been developed largely as a growth promoter and is still used in many countries. It has been banned by European Union since 1999. Streptogramins are effective in the treatment of vancomycin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus (VRSA) and vancomycin-resistant Enterococcus faecium (VREF), two of the most rapidly growing strains of multi-drug resistant bacteria. Used for skin and skin structure infections. Used for nosocomial pneumonia. Cynercid, the trade name of dalfopristin and quinopristine, is a combination of antibiotic that fights life-threatening or serious infections. How we can administer streptogramins class of antibiotics. So quinopristine and dalfopristin are marketed in a fixed 30 to 70 ratio with the name Cynercid, which is administered by IV intravenous infusion and 5% dextrose in water solution over a 60-minute period. An infusion pump or device may be used to control the rate of infusion. Resistance of streptogramins. So resistance to streptogramins is mediated by enzymatic modification of the antibiotic, active transport or reflux mediated by an ATP binding protein, and alteration of the target site. The most commonly known resistance to streptogramins is the MLSB resistance conferred by the ARM genes. Side effects of streptogramins class of antibiotics. So what are the side effects? So it may include severe stomach pain, diarrhea that is watery or bloody, bruising, arthralgia and myalgia. swelling or severe irritation around the IV needle, jaundice, yellowing of the skin or eyes, seizure, that is convulsions, irregular heart rate, sudden numbness or weakness, severe headache, slurred speech or problems with balance. Why dalfopristine and quinopristine are given in combination? So, as each of the two is only a bacteriostatic agent, the combination shows bactericidal activity. Bactericidal means which kills the bacteria, and bacteriostatic means to stop the growth and reproduction of bacteria. They work in synergism, increase their performance. Dalfopristine binds to the 23 Swedberg portion of the 50 Swedberg ribosomal subunit and changes the conformation of it, enhancing the binding of quinopristine by a factor of about 100 times. In addition, it inhibits peptidyl transfer. Are streptogamins broad spectrum? If someone asks from you, streptogamins are natural cyclic peptides produced by a number of Streptomyces species that have a restricted spectrum of activity against gram-positive bacteria. Now, which precautionary measures we should taken regarding to streptogamins? So, use Cynosure with caution in case of. If we use Cynosure, so we must take care of the following points. We must note it. Hepatic impairment, avoid if severe. Cardiac patients, for example, congenital QT syndrome, cardiac hypertrophy, dilated cardiomyopathy, hypokalemia, hypomagnesemia, and bradycardia. In these situations, in these cases, we must take care. Precautionary measures should be taken, and it should be avoided if these cases are severe. So that's all about streptogamins, class of antibiotic. If you have any question or confusion or any suggestion, so you may ask through comments or through my Gmail, that is driltafvet@gmail.com, or through my contact number, that is 03438998 For international students, they may dial 0092 before my contact number. So that's all, and thank you so much for watching.